Hi, and welcome into the channel. Mevo Multicam, amazing app. It's my go-to for live streaming. I have the Pro subscription. One of the issues that I have is a scoreboard. I wanted to add a basic scoreboard to my live streams. Sometimes I use up to 4 cameras, but I still struggle with how to bring in a scoreboard. Today, I have a simple solution. I use a program on my Android phone called Scoreboard. And guess what? It's free and it's customizable. It's pretty basic, just the score, but you can change the colors and the names. To raise the score, all you do is click each side. To lower the score, you swipe down. To reset the score, you hit the reset button. Pretty simple. So with that program, along with Mevo Go on my Android phone, I can bring all that into Mevo Multicam and do a picture-in-picture. So here's the steps. With the Scoreboard app customized, you want to open up Mevo Go. Once it opens, you want to select Screencast, then a single app, and then select the Scoreboard app. That's it, you're done. Hop on over to Mevo Multicam and select Mevo Go. And if you look, you'll see there is a full screen source of the Scoreboard app. Then you got to go down and add a picture-in-picture. Add the Scoreboard app. Now customize it. Customize the size, the border, the shape, and most importantly, the location. My location is usually the top right corner. You can see that you can resize it if you'd like. Go back to your sources. You have your camera source, and then you can click on the overlay source of the Mevo Go app, which is now a usable scoreboard. From your phone, you can change the score. That's it. Let me know in the comments how you keep score in Mevo Multicam. And if this video helped you out, please give it a like and please subscribe for more tech tips. We'll see you at the next game.